Hey guys, it's Michelle Holling-Brooks and I'm back here with our vlog for this week. And this week we're really talking about having a holistic wellness and health program. And if you think about, for us as humans, we can get burnout, we can get too invested in our job and what we're doing, especially if you're in the helping profession field like we are. And I noticed in myself personally that was really happening in my life, especially about 8 years ago. And one of the lessons that the horses helped me come into focus is I was noticing the same symptoms that I was feeling, I was noticing them in our herd. And I really didn't like it for the herd. It was one thing for me to have burnout and push through it, and it was a total different thing to have our horses struggling with that. And so I started to look at, where everybody starts. We started looking at what are we feeding them. We looked at what kind of vet care that we were having. And all of that was best practices. We were doing everything that we could. They were eating well and they had the best vet care that we could do. I even added in putting in chiropractic and acupuncture for them. But it just wasn't quite enough for them to handle the load. Just like for me, even though I was going to a chiropractor, I was doing acupressure, not puncture, because I don't like needles. My body was still just really struggling and I was burning out. I was trying to do too much. I was a new mom. I started Unbridled Change. I was also trying to better myself and to work on myself at the same time, and it just, something had to give. Finally, I started to really dive into what was underneath the body, mind, spirit connection. And what it was is that third piece that we talk a lot about the mind and we talk a lot about the body, but it's adding in that spiritual component. Well, how do we do that for the horses? That is where they live. And this is why it works so well for us. It's also why they're so susceptible to doing the work that we do in the helping profession, because they're tapped into spirit all the time and into the emotional realm of our clients. It's how they do what they do. So I really had to get real intentional to help support them. And in that process, I learned about myself, and I also learned about what works for these guys to feel that they have a choice and an option to be with us. And that's what we want, for our horses to feel healthy, happy, and love their life that they're doing. Right now, Ginger says, I'm the star of this show, not Cocoa Puff. So I'm really excited to announce that we're doing a new workshop, and the workshop is all about how do we support our horses in having a true mind, body, spirit, holistic wellness program. And in there, we're going to dive into how do we as humans keep ourselves balanced so that we're balanced around our horses, and then how do we help support their body, as she's saying, scratch my butt. That's how she gets her needs asked. How do we support them beyond just the normal health care and health benefits that we know so much about? And so we'll explore body work, we'll explore energy work, and we'll explore how to bring our whole herd into balance, especially if you're in the field of partnering with horses for human healing. I hope you'll join us at our workshop. Click below for more information. Thanks.